I-Congress of the People iqoke uTebogo Louante njengozobamba ekholeni leli qembu njengoba umsunguli nophinde abe ngumholi waleli qembu uMosiwa Lekota esaxinwe ukugula.
The CNC took a decision to appoint me in the interim position to lead the party towards the elective Congress in December 2025.
I-COPE ithi uhulumeni kumele eqede nyanga abantu bokufika bakulelizwe ngokungemthetho.
Illegal immigrants are a potential for committing crimes without detecting perpetrators. So ours is straightforward. Government must use its resources to repatriate all illegal immigrants. All. Anybody who wants to come to South Africa must come through proper channels.
Leli qembu lithi umengameli wezwe, ondunankulu bezifundazwe kanye nezimeya kumele bangenele ukhetho ngokuzimela.
We believe in and we call for direct elections of presidents, premiers and mayors. This will help to ensure leaders are directly accountable to people, not to elites.
Leli qembu lithi selizoqala ukulungiselela ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo oluzoba ngunyaka ozayo.